So at the moment, I'm half of the mother of Jesus and half of the mother of the galaxy. Hi guys, welcome in a new video. I know, right? My hair is beautiful. I know. So in today's video, I want to show you how I did this hairstyle with using no styling product and no heat. Just a rope from a rope. It is so insane, and I am in love with my hair. It was such an easy process, although it is a little bit time consuming because you need to spend a few hours with this crazy thing on your hair. But besides that, it is pure natural and I love it. And I saw some videos before. It's not like this is my idea. I will link them down below, but those girls were just perfect and their hair were beautiful, so I was just like, I think it will work on my crazy hair. But as you can see, it did, and I am in love. I'm obsessed. And without further ado, let's just move on to the tutorial because I want you guys to learn how to do it yourself. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the likes because this really helps with the algorithm and pushing my videos further. And we are almost at 10k subscribers, so you know this is a big deal right now, all right? And also, I released an ebook about skincare and how I got rid of acne, how I keep my skin clear. So if you are interested, the link is also down below. And yeah, let's move on to the video. Okay guys, so these are my natural hair, and as you can see, they are curly, but this is not the kind of curly hair I would like to have. They are just all over the place. So in order to do a perfect curls, apparently, we need the rope from the night rope, you know, rope of the rope, English queen. We also need all pair of ties, scissors, and 2 hairbands, and apparently that's it. So let's start with putting this rope here. I feel like a Saint Maria. Like, where is Jesus? Give me Jesus here. Okay, so we need to take half of a hair and just put it in a hairband and leave it for now. And now we are taking care of this half. So apparently what you should do is take the first part of your hair and just rub it around, and then take more hair and again rub it around. Oh my god, my hair is so all over the place that it's just even hard to do this kind of thing, but okay. And every time you're doing a new sort of circle, you need to take a little bit more hair. Okay, that's not that bad. Like, I would genuinely thought that this is gonna be much harder. At least it looks like this in a YouTube video, but to be completely fair, it's not difficult at all. Wrap it, and now we have to finish all the hair. And now we want to make it as tight as possible and create this sort of a bun, and then take the rest of the rope, wrap it around. Give me the Princess Leia vibe. Where is my Yoda? Okay, that's a little bit difficult, but okay. So at the moment, I'm half of the mother of Jesus and half of the mother of the galaxy. This side is a little bit more difficult because I am right-handed, so we need to be more focused on this one. And now we have to finish it all as we did before. Now make it as tight as possible. And again, do the Leia vibe. Is it Leia or Leia? I think it's Leia, isn't it? Yeah, definitely Leia. Okay. Now we're taking a hairband, placing it. Hi guys, imagine if I would go like this outside, that would be hilarious. So now we have to cut the ties in here so we can create a sort of a turban for our hair, because otherwise I feel like this crazy hairstyle will fall apart within a second. So let me just cut it. And now we have something that reminds me of Spanx or Skims to Kim Kardashian, but hey, it is known. It is my turban, and you put it on your head. Oh my god, I look so hilarious. Like, I mean, what is it? Oh my god, what is that? Why this is so funny? So I need to stay with this thing on my head for at least 5 to 8 hours. I heard that some people can even sleep in it, but I cannot imagine sleeping like this because it will be so uncomfortable. See you in 5 hours, okay? So it's been like 6 hours since I have this on me and I'm exhausted. My head is about to explode. I don't want to have this on me anymore, and it was so annoying because I couldn't even go out, go to the shop. But at least I hope it was worth it because my head is killing me. So I cannot wait to take this off. Let's take this off, please. Finally. Okay, now let's start from taking this hairbands off. Oh my god, that's such a relief, like genuinely. Okay, and now from what I heard is that you really need to be gentle with your hair. Like, I don't want to pull it. I was like, I don't want to destroy the curls. So let's just take it very, very gently. Oh, you can see some curls going on. Okay, this is exciting. Like, it literally is so exciting. Okay, let me just do this. Okay. Okay, wow, not bad, not bad. Let me take the other one off. It looks like I'm going for like a cheap wedding or something. Like, I hate this kind of hairstyle, so let me just separate it and create some volume. Okay, what do we think of this? Oh, wow, that's a lot of curls. Okay, I have a little bit of like Khloe Kardashian, J-Lo, Whitney Houston maybe feel. Oh, okay, I actually love it. So I want to cancel everything I said before. Maybe my head was a little bit painful and it was a little bit annoying and I looked horrible, but honey, it was worth it. So it was just 6 hours looking like Princess Leia slash Maria slash just weirdo having a ties on hair, but it was worth it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I love it. There's like no products on my hair. It's just pure natural. It is fantastic. Seriously, I love it. Obviously, this is definitely not the hairstyle I'm gonna do for my everyday life because it was just too much of a hassle. But yeah, on the days that I would like to have curls, I can do it, and hopefully they will stay for at least like 1 to 2 days, hopefully. But yeah, I'm really happy, and let me know if you guys tried this before or if you wanted to try. Please let me know because I'm really curious how it works with a different hairstyle. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'm just gonna maybe take some cute Instagram pictures because I'm feeling myself. So if you like the video, don't forget to leave the likes, subscribe my channel, because we're almost at 10,000 subscribers. Can you imagine that? I have 10,000 subscribers. It's just like it's just too crazy. Anyway, yeah, thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. If you have any ideas or what other videos would you like to see on my channel, please let me know, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Oh my god, I loved it. I love it.